Thongju Assembly constituency MLA Thongam Biswajit asserted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Manipur will bring solution to peace and normalcy in the state. He said this on the sidelines of inauguration of second floor building of the Social Workers Congress at Khongman today. Speaking to reporters, he said there is no doubt about Prime Minister's visit to Manipur, which is aimed towards bringing a lasting peace in the ongoing crisis in the state. He said a stable and harmonious Manipur is not only the desire of the public, but also of those in the government. Once peace and normalcy is restored, a popular government can be reinstated in due time. He further stated that BJP will never run away from responsibilities. He appealed all to discard negativity and work together towards peace across party line. Besides Thongju AC MLA TH Biswajit, the event was attended by Khongam Gram Panchayat ex-Pradhan Moirangthem Ongbi Nushirei and SWC President Atokbam Birendra as main dignitaries.
BJP party party habisi ki makhada leibani kuji MLA odani sekar habdi leitamina jum party na khana korko matam da koi isai isagi oibo mo loi leina gani aduga makhoi da kari habsi ke lebak si phanabak ta hobsi ke du lebak si ki leriba meyamna pami pot pun maksing se phongdok pai ba se koi rajniti wala koi gi maruina akoi gi BJP gi thaugang ama oina oibo posak amani lauraga lai laugani aduga koi afaba pot ama oina hona bada BJP MLA ne kedamani smile le se loi ji